Hey, it's Anissa and Zach, and we've got an amazing deal on the Power Precision Cooker, and this is a way to get sous vide cooking, and that's really a foolproof way to cook almost anything.
Yeah, when you say cook perfectly, it's no joke. These things are pink from top to bottom. We're gonna drop a couple steaks in, one on the included rack and one just drop right into the pot, set the sous vide, and we'll let this cook while you check out the commercial.
Simply clip it on, set the time, set the temperature, add your food in a sealable bag, walk away. After you sous vide it, you can sear it for a few seconds to caramelize the outside. The water bath circulates around your food, cooking every inch at the precise temperature you set, edge to edge. Your food can never cook above the temperature you set, no matter how long you leave it. Traditional cooking gives you uneven temperatures and hot spots, leaving large gradients between the surface and the core. From rare to well, you get the exact results you want, edge to edge. This is precision cooking, so whether you're cooking 1 or you're cooking 10, you're gonna get the exact same results every time. And because your food is sealed, the natural flavors and juices get locked right in. Fish comes out perfect and flaky. Buy in bulk, season and freeze, drop it in frozen in the morning, sous vide it all day, come home to the tender, most juicy chicken you've ever had. Use any food grade bag that seals and any pot or plastic container. Make my Super Bowl favorite, this 14-pound brisket, in a cooler. It's cooked perfectly all the way through from end to end. That's beautiful.
Yeah, so these look exactly how they should. I wouldn't say quite appetizing yet, but what we're gonna do is pat these dry and we're gonna let them rest for a little bit to let them cool down so we can put a nice sear on them to lock in all that flavor. Okay, now we've given these a quick sear on both sides, and as you can see, this juice is starting to pool up really nice here as it's resting. Let's cut it open and see what we got in the center here. Have you ever seen a more perfect steak than that?
And more easily cooked. Well, it looks great and it smells great, but the most important thing, does it taste great?
Let's find out.
So juicy and flavorful.
Very tender, very flavorful. This is amazing. Restaurant quality steaks in your home. We have a fantastic deal on the Sous Vide Precision Cooker, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.
I'm gonna eat more steak.